Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy here, Abdul from Take112. On this video guys of today, I got amazing kind of stuff I have to brief and explain about it. This is upon Snapseed. So today I have a little bit of apps which I can share with you guys, which you can get a great picture out there and you can be like, whoa, this is amazing. Now I find it a lot of people, they're like finding it hard playing around with the camera settings, and you can get a good kind of great picture and you can just edit it ASAP on your phone. You just don't need Photoshop, you just don't need a Lightroom, you just need an app called Snapseed. Now Snapseed has a little bit of many settings inside it, and sometimes whenever you just use the filter, you can just reuse them on your photos. Now this is something which I thought I could just share with you guys, because I know some of you might know it, some of you might not know it. Now this is Snapseed. I'll leave a link down below so as you can go and check it out. So Snapseed gives you many things. For the first time you open the app, you get a little bit of open brief, just like this one, how you see it, and after that you can just open the picture you wanna edit it. After opening the picture, you place the image there. Now after placing the image there, you can have a little bit of settings which you can get started with it. Now getting started with these kind of settings, it's very great, because those kind of settings, they'll help you out going through those kind of edits you want to accomplish. Another kind of stuff, this is upon how you can manage exposure, you can manage saturation, you can manage clarity, you can manage tint, and all of them. Now managing all of them together, you just get a dialog whereby you can just edit everything over there, like a brief dialogue, but you need to press your phone. After opening the picture, you just need to slide it up and you get those options. You get the brightness, you get the contrast, you get everything. Now you play around with the contrast and everything, you get that great picture. Now I find it sometimes it's hard for the people. Somebody may tell you this, how can I just edit the picture? Well, I usually tell people you're the one on your lane, because you're the one who is using the device. So since you're the one who is using the device, you're the one who's controlled with the filter. So whatever you gotta do, you create just a good look. Now you create that good cinematic look of the picture, which is a dramatic, by just playing with those settings. So this will help you or guide you get that good kind of great picture. So this is just a simple app from Google, and it's very amazing. I've been using Snapseed for almost 2 years since I had to know it, and Snapseed had bring many pictures which I just take and I just edit them ASAP and just throw them out on the social media, and I find them it's something which is amazing. So you guys, if you have any problem with Snapseed and all that, you can just leave a comment there so they can just answer you ASAP, or you want to get to know a lot of edits like a pro, you want to edit like a pro, still Snapseed is on you guys. You can just download it and you can just make that good dramatic picture, so as it can be very great in terms of moment. So thank you guys for watching. If you find this video very interesting, don't hesitate to throw that thumbs up. So if you find this video very interesting, don't hesitate to just throw a thumbs up and leave a comment down below what's your thoughts. And another kind of stuff, if you didn't subscribe on my YouTube channel, you should just subscribe, because we are on our way to hit that 1K subscribers, which it would be amazing, and I hope you guys will just love it and enjoy it. So this is the video of Snapseed, and I hope you guys loved it, and I'll be catching you guys on the next video. Peace.